My bachelor degree is in mathematics. So I studied mathematics at the University of the Basque Country. Then I did a master's degree in applied mathematics, so also there. And during my master's, I started working with Professor David Pardo from Beckham. And during my master's, I decided that I wanted to do a PhD with his group. So I did my PhD with him and Elisabeth Alberdi, also from the University of the Basque Country. And during my PhD, I had the opportunity to collaborate with David and the group in a European project, actually in 2 European projects. And I had the opportunity to travel a lot. So I did research stays in different universities around the world. I went to Australia and Chile and the US. And my last research stay was here in the US at UT Austin, where I'm now. And after my PhD, I applied for a grant, postdoc grant at the Basque government, and I got it. So now I'm working at UT Austin in the Oden Institute for Computational Engineering and Sciences, in the group of Professor Leszek Denkowicz, is a well-known researcher in the area. So I will be here. Well, this year I will finish the contract with the Basque government, and in January 2022 I'm going to start with the Marie Curie Fellowship. So I will be here in total 3 years. So that's my career up to now.
What motivated you to apply for the Marie Curie Fellowships?
Honestly, a few years ago, I didn't know about this fellowship, the individual fellowship. I knew about more general projects, European projects. And it was Miguel, the project manager from Beckham, who contacted me and encouraged me to apply for the fellowship. He told me that he thought I was in a good position to get it because of my CV and on the work I've done. So with his support and David's support, I applied for the fellowship. They helped me a lot with the proposal. It's a hard work of a couple of months to write the proposal, but they helped me a lot. And yeah, it was him.
What does it mean to you to have obtained one of the fellowships?
First of all, for me, it's an honor. I know it is a really competitive fellowship. This year, I think more than 11,000 people applied for the fellowship, and we were around 1,300 that succeed. So it's really competitive. I feel very grateful. Well, I applied 2 years ago as well, but I didn't get it. I think I didn't fulfill the requirements. I was too young. But this last year, I finally got it, and I feel really grateful. And for me, it's a really great recognition to the work I've done during my PhD, and a really good opportunity for continuing doing my research. So I'm very happy.
Bearing in mind that the fellowship is a boost to your research, what is your current work about and what application can it have?
So during the project, I will be working in a numerical method for simulating partial differential equations. This method is called discontinuous Petrov-Galerkin method, and was invented here in the Oden Institute by the group of Professor Denkowicz. But they only applied for steady state problems. So I'm going to extend this theory to problems, partial differential equations that evolve in time. And yeah, so mostly the 2 years that I'm going to be here during the Marie Curie Fellowship, I will be developing the mathematical theory for that, applying more, solving academic problems mostly here. And then in the 3rd year of the fellowship, once I am in Beckham, I'm going to work with Professor David Pardo to apply it to real life problems. So our idea is to apply it to characterize the subsurface of the Earth the materials that are in the surface, because David has a greater expertise with the oil and gas industry, so we want to apply it for that.
What will be your next step in your professional career?
Continue doing research because I love it. I'm very happy with my work, and so now I have a 3-year contract, so I have that stability with the fellowship. So when I go back, I have 1 year in Beckham, and then I will apply for another position, maybe more long-term position. I think I will be in the terms to apply for that. But I want to stay in the Basque Country. So I'm going back and stay in research.